If your VW Polo's EPC light suddenly turned on, don't panic. This is one of the most common problems Polo owners face. In this video, we'll explain the real reasons behind the EPC warning and the symptoms you should look for. We'll also show you the quick fixes you can apply before it becomes a costly repair. A dirty or misaligned throttle body is the #1 reason the EPC light appears. You may notice rough idling, hesitation while accelerating, or reduced engine power. Quick tip: cleaning the throttle body and performing a throttle adaptation usually solves the issue. A faulty brake light switch triggers the EPC warning immediately. Symptoms include brake lights not responding correctly or jerky gear shifts in automatic variants. Quick fix: the brake light switch is inexpensive and easy to replace. When this sensor fails, the ECU receives wrong throttle signal. Drivers usually experience delayed throttle response or the EPC and check engine lights together. A diagnostic scan will confirm the fault, and replacing the pedal assembly often fixes it. Dirty or failing sensors confuse the ECU, causing the EPC light to activate. Symptoms include poor fuel economy, uneven idle, or weak acceleration. Quick fix: cleaning the MAF sensor or replacing a damaged sensor restores normal performance. A bad ignition coil causes misfires, shaking, or low power, along with the EPC light. You may also see a flashing check engine light. Quick fix: replace the faulty ignition coil and inspect spark plugs. A weak battery can trigger electrical errors, including the EPC warning. Slow starting, flickering dashboard lights, and random sensor faults are common signs. Test the battery and replace it if voltage is low. Avoid accelerating hard. Safely pull over and restart the car. Check your brake lights. Don't drive long distances until a scan is done. Visit a workshop for a quick OBD diagnosis. The VW Polo EPC light often comes from throttle body issues, faulty sensors, brake switch problems, or ignition faults. By identifying these symptoms early and applying simple checks, you can prevent expensive repairs and keep your Polo running smoothly. Stay alert, get timely scans, and drive safely.